Hello, my name is Brian Brinker, and today I'd like to describe for you how to merge projects within the IBM WebSphere Portal Experience Modeler. Let's get started. Prototype projects within the Experience Modeler are built as hierarchical structures, or trees. Looking at the following diagram, we see how this is so. Notice that there is a root element, here depicted in green. This is the design element. You see how there are other elements that branch off from the design? These are the persona elements that represent each role within your prototype. Attached to each persona are the elements that make its sitemap. Experience Modeler themes normally allow as many as 3 levels of categorization or navigation tiers within any persona's sitemap taxonomy. For convenience, we call the first level element Place, because most themes render top-level elements as what are commonly called place tabs. Place elements can be divided into a second navigation level. We call these second-level elements Page. Page elements can also be divided into child elements, which are called Subpage. Subpage elements are the third tier in a persona's taxonomy and normally contain the lowest level or most detailed content. Place, page, and subpage elements are rendered in the demo as HTML pages. Any element in one project can be copied in a modeler and pasted within the taxonomy of another project in another modeler. Another way to understand the sitemap of a persona is as nested elements. Here we see a persona represented by the large rectangle. Inside the persona are 3 places. Nested within the places are pages, some of which have nested subpages. Let's say that we want to reuse the content within one of the place elements within another demo. To do this, we simply copy the place element. Copying an element gathers it and all of its child pages and all of the content on every page in the subtree. After you copy a subtree from a donor project, you may then paste this element into a recipient project. In this case, we copied and pasted one place element from one project, Project A, into another, Project B. We can also copy and paste any other type of element, except for the design. After the paste, a list is provided of portlets and skins that were not pasted in order to not overwrite existing modules. The list in the message is also in the file existing portlets and skins.txt. You can delete this file when you are done. Please notice that you must paste an element onto its parent. This works as follows. Persona elements may be pasted onto the design element. Place elements may be pasted onto personae. Page elements may be pasted onto places. Subpage elements may be pasted onto pages. This is for taxonomy elements. Layout elements are more flexible. Panel elements may be pasted onto places, pages, or subpages. And portlet elements may be pasted onto any panel. The following shows these relationships. Don't worry about getting any of this wrong, because the modeler won't let you paste an element to the wrong parent. Thank you for your time and attention. I'm Brian Brinker for the Experience Modeler Development Team, and this has been Module 210, Merging Projects in the IBM WebSphere Portal Experience Modeler.